Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve a classic Leetcode problem that's not only super popular in interviews but also tests your understanding of stacks and string manipulation. So the problem name is Decode String, medium level in difficulty on Leetcode. And in this problem we have been given an encoded string, that is, first its number appears and then the text appears, and then again number appears and then text appears. So our job here is to decode the string. It might seem tricky, don't worry, we will break it down with examples and build a stack based solution step by step. So for the first example, we can see that our string is 3a to bc, and it should be expanded and decoded like 3 times a and then 2 times bc. So we will use a stack to solve this problem. Every time we encounter a problem or a number or a square bracket, we store it, and when we find out and when we find a square bracket, we pop from the stack and build the decoded substring. And to solve this, we will use a step-by-step logic. First of all, we will use a stack to store characters, and then we will encounter a left square bracket, then we will pop until we get a right square bracket to get the substring, and we will pop the repeat count from the stack, and it may be more than 1 digit. So do not worry about that, and repeat the string and push back to the stack, and finally we will join everything in the stack to get the decoded string. Now to implement that, first of all we will initialize an empty stack, and then we will traverse through the string that has been given to us, that means for char in s, and we will check if char not equal to right square bracket, then we will stack dot append char, and then okay, I think I made a mistake here, and okay, and else we will define a substring, and here I will initialize a blank substring, and then while stack, it will check if a stack is not empty and top element of the stack is not equal to the left square bracket, and then if it is true, then substr equal to stack dot pop plus substr, and then when the loop is completed, we will stack dot pop, that means we will remove the right square bracket. Let me define it, remove right sub, okay, and then so we will have to get the number. So to get the number, we will define blank value to this number, and then while stack and stack, like top element of the stack dot is digit, then we will pop the last element, stack dot pop